Wako pia ukuje. Nafikiria niliambiwa hao wawili kuja useme kwa kanisa. Wacha aseme kwa kanisa, tuelewane, hii ni kanisa. Wacha wasalimie.
Your Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the governors who are here, I recognize the governor of our neighboring county, Peter Lusaka, the ministers who are here. I can't see very well, but I heard the name of Kuri, the CS Trade being mentioned, but all of you, welcome. The chief officers who are here, wana Busia, hamjambo? Hamjambo tena? Muko na furaha kukaribisha Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Muko na furaha? Mnapenda aje tena? Mengi imesemwa hapa, particularly mimi kama a young elder, kwa sababu the real elder Philip Masinde is here. So I'm just a young being trained to be an elder. I support all that has been said by the members of parliament, so I don't have to repeat it again. Dr. William Samoei Ruto, you are the duly elected President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, according to our Constitution. Wewe ndio wiko. Na Romans 13, sisi wa Kristo tunasema kwamba we have to respect, obey and honor your office and your person as the president of this country. Katiba pia inasema kwamba the county governments must work. They are independent, but they work closely with the national government. So the county government of Busia and the people of Busia must work with the duly elected president. Na yeye inamujua. He is from my village in Nairobi. As an ordinary MP, I knew him. We interacted together when he was first elected to parliament. I know him as a good worker, very hard worker. Mtu ambaye ni politician and in his spare time anasoma Doctor of Philosophy, not in politics, but in some planned ecology, I don't know what. Na napata hiyo, hapana cheza na yeye. You don't play about with him. Mnasikia? So, Ruto, you are with you. Tumeona wewe, Mr. President, and your ministers going to other areas. Natembea huko, even twice, 3 times. Unaenda kwa interdenominational prayers. Unaenda for development, inspecting development projects. Na sisi tunajua wewe kama deputy president ulikuwa unakuja hapa sana. You came here many times inspecting development projects. Sasa tunataka that tradition iendelee kama president. Wewe unakuja hapa. Leo ilikuwa siku ya prayers, isn't it? Tunataka yeye aje hapa now on a developmental tour of Busia ili tumuuliza maneno on the ground. Mnataka namna hiyo? Do you want me as an elder to invite him? Aje hapa Busia? Maombi iko, lakini sasa attention iwe kwa development projects. Uende Teso North, uende Teso South, uende Nambale, uende Matayos, uende Butula, uende Finyola, uende huko Budalangi. Now our minister is here, and I want to thank you for having appointed him. I want to thank you for having appointed Susan Mangeni. That lifted Busia up kidogo. Lakini Busia is used to more appointments. We are used to more appointments. Hata kama unaangalia kwa history, uone in this period of Nyayo, how many were ministers from Busia, how many were PSS, how many were chief executives of corporations, utaona. What about this period of Kibaki? How many were ministers? How many? Utaona kwamba Busia is used to that level. So you're still appointing, chances are coming up, uendelee kufanya namna hiyo. I want to thank the pastor, the Muslim Musa, and my bishop for the sermons you gave us today on the issue of tolerance. That was very good. Now, one of the examples of people who are really tolerant ni Yesu Kristo mwenyewe. Kwa sababu when he was on the cross, he was abused. Many people said, you said you could do this, where are you? What are you doing? You said yes. He was abused. But instead of answering back, he was tolerant. He pleaded with God, please forgive them, for they do not know what they are saying. Even the soldier whose ears were cut, he replaced that ear. So tolerance is there. The issue of unity, keep in focus as a Christian that in Christ there is neither Jew nor Greek. Translate to Kenya, in Christ there is neither Kikuyu, Luya, Luo, Iteso, whatever. We are all one. And if the one can be appointed on the issue of merit, well and good. Just keep in focus that. I thank you for coming. I've invited you, and I hope you'll give me a date so that I can convey to the governor when you are now coming for development projects.
Asante. Haya, asante. Nafikiria pia niliintroduce my predecessor Mheshimiwa Ojamong. Rais amesema kuja usalimie kidogo.